People tend to be nervous when they come to the dentist, but I think having the office the way we designed it, it's always warm and inviting. Patients always tell us how warm and inviting it is. It helps them relax, and it helps us relax, maybe for us to do a better job for them.
One of the reasons I enjoy coming here is because the people are very, very friendly, and they're cordial, and they make you feel at ease as soon as you walk through the door, you know.
When I retired, I moved to Florida and had to find a dentist, and so I found Dr. Askelin and had a consultation. And after the consultation, I decided that I wanted to do something about my smile. I wanted a healthy smile. And before you know it, things were like moving right along very, very swiftly. And it was a very good experience overall. I enjoyed it.
Our philosophy, our goal as a team here from day one for me has been to just make people feel comfortable from the moment they walk in the door, to make people feel like this is more than just a clinical environment, to make people feel like it's almost an extension of home.
My experience at this dentist office goes from Dr. Harris through the whole staff. When you come into this office, there's always a feeling that they're very, very caring about what's happening to you. They understand. They put you at ease from the minute you come in. You never wait very long, but even if you're in the waiting room, the receptionist greets you, you're very comfortable, you're set aside, and you're told what's going to be the wait time. When you go back into the areas where they do the work, they're very gentle. The skill level comes out immediately. You end up relaxing because you eventually know that you're in wonderful hands. Dr. Harris explains everything he does. He also gives his patients options. He will go from A to Z if there are A to Z things that you need to think about. And he will give you very careful explanations about what he's going to do and what your choices are.
It's beyond just a friendly service. It's coming in knowing when you're going to be seen, knowing it's going to be taken care of, and knowing you get to get on with your day.
It's just a real team atmosphere.
We've been coming here for 7 years, and you see the same faces. And when you see the same faces and you get the consistent care, there's a credibility there, there's a comfort zone there.
What we really want to do is give the patients an experience unlike what they would get at another medical office or another facility. We want them to come into our office and feel like they're truly welcome. We understand that the technical side of dentistry isn't necessarily what people see when they come to the dentist. They experience the interaction with the front desk and the rest of the staff, and we want that interaction to be something that stands out in their mind as something completely different in a positive way than they've ever had anywhere else. So that starts at the front desk when they first walk through the door, or even before that when they first talk to one of our team members on the phone, that they get that warm, friendly feeling, that they know they're coming to a safe environment where they're going to be treated with impeccable care and treated like one of the members of our own family.
Coming here, I have a great time. I leave with a smile. It's just an enjoyable time. The staff is professional, the doctors are professional, it's just fun. When I came here in the early 90s, I was referred here by my coworkers and friends, and it's been such a great experience coming here that I always recommend it to people and refer people here first chance I get.
They just take good care of you, and the professionalism is excellent. The staff is excellent, and they all have a nice hello and a nice big hello and a nice goodbye, and I'm very impressed.
Well, I want patients to know that we're different. And what I mean by different is we're not your traditional dental office, in that we want them to feel welcome. We want them to feel at ease. We laugh and joke around here. We're very serious about what we do, but we are certainly try to have a good time. We enjoy what we do, and I think that shows. So I think different is what I really want people to know.
I just feel there's warmth and concern about the patients here, a personal affection that they have for everyone that comes in. They make you feel so comfortable, and you like coming here. That's it.
We have a team. We have a team of individuals that come to work every day with a common goal, and that goal is to take care of our patients and to make them feel at home and to make them feel comfortable, to make them feel like they're getting something special.
Every person here seems to care about you. They're friendly. They know your background. When you walk in here, they ask you about your puppy, they ask you about your wife. You feel like you're the only patient there at the time.
I guess the reasons that I come here is because of the caring of the dentist. It's not just the professional attention, but just that there's that relationship that we've had ever since my children were little. Now they're grown, and we continue to come here.
The latest technology is extremely important, and I think it's important for patients to realize that we have that available to them. Digital x-rays, and having records, as you mentioned, to be able to go back, and it shows people you're being thorough, that I can reflect back on their treatment and say, hey, you know, we pointed this out a couple years ago and now it's turned into this, or I think it shows that you're on top of your game, you know what you're doing.
Well, the fact that we have computer monitors in every room right at the patient's view allows us the opportunity to share with them and to show them in large form exactly what things look like, and to give them a better explanation of what's going on in their mouths by being able to blow up a digital x-ray 5 times and show them exactly where a problem is and help them to understand what exactly is going on in their mouth at that point in time.
I'm a computer person myself, and I like the idea that they have your images of your teeth right up on their monitors, and they can bring it up so quickly, and they can show you exactly what your teeth look like, and you know, what needs to be worked on, and it's a nice experience.
Well, having such a seamless integration of x-ray imaging, photographic imaging, and all the patient data available at our fingertips really makes it easy to explain to patients what's going on in their mouth and show them why different procedures are necessary, and show them also how these procedures can be beneficial to them. You know, we all learn best by verbal and visual stimuli, and that really gives us the ability to do that.
We wanted to update things. We had the opportunity to move into a brand new building and to be able to have the opportunity to design everything from scratch, to integrate the newest and latest technology in terms of, you know, digital imaging. We've tried to establish something that feels more like home, you know, something that has you know, a warmth to it and makes you feel like you're somewhere other than being in a dental office.
We're ecstatic, we're thrilled to be in our new facility. It's wonderful to work in such a beautiful, high-tech environment. We've got lots of space. We've got the number of treatment rooms we need to treat the volume of patients that we want to see in the manner that we want to treat them. We like to ensure our patients' privacy, so we have a private consultation room. We have the most cutting-edge, top-of-the-line digital x-ray imaging technology that basically puts any type of x-rays and diagnostic abilities at our fingertips. And obviously keeping up with the latest trends in actually performing our day-to-day duties is made so much easier working in such a great facility with such a good team.
I think the new facility is beautiful. It's a lot bigger than I thought. I just had the tour of the back rooms where the doctor's offices were, and it's clean, it's welcoming, a very calm, relaxing attitude, and I think it's just, when you walk in here, you're relaxed.
I love coming to this facility because it's very homey and it doesn't feel like a doctor's office. It's just amazing.
I've heard it from so many patients that having them say they come in, I smile now. I mean, what more could you ask for? I mean, if someone, they've come to you, they weren't smiling, or when they're sitting in the chair, they're covering their mouth with their hand. And then to have them come in and say they go now and they smile. So that's what it's all about.
My smile has been maintained over all these years. I'm 59 years old, and they're still all mine. So with the instruction that I get, and the care at home, coupled with the care that I get here at the office, it's maintained a smile that I can take outside the office.
It's obviously a wonderful feeling to see someone transform from being very self-conscious about the way they look to beaming and, you know, smiling, and really their whole personality can sometimes change with a change in the appearance of their teeth. At the same time, it's important to me to deliver the patient what they want, and not everyone wants what some people see as the ideal smile. So if some patient is happy with the way they look, then I'm happy for them. And what's important is that their teeth are healthy and that they have confidence in their smile, and that's going to exude through their behavior, and that's what we're looking for.
My smile has been improved by coming to this office, from the hygienist, again, all the way back to Dr. Harris. I have a great deal of faith in all of them.
Being able to come to work and whether it's taking somebody who is afraid to smile and has been embarrassed of their smile and being able to transform that into something that they're proud of and you know, gives them a new sense of self-worth, or taking someone, you know, who just has a unbearable toothache and is in tears, and being able to take that away and to make them comfortable. Any one of those aspects is why I love coming to work here.
I am extremely lucky to have Dr. Askeland and Dr. Harris as partners. They're great guys, and they're great dentists. Importantly, they're great dentists. That's what makes them great. We get along so well. The staff here is trained. It takes a while to put together a team of professionals, and I've been extremely fortunate to have these people. I've had one assistant for 17 years, another one for 11. Patients they love the continuity. They love to see the same people. I'm very fortunate. They're a motivated, energetic team of professionals.